Righto guys, shall we finish off a job? Do you remember this? And the fact that my bump stops are no good because the threads aren't long enough to go through the framework and everything else. Even without the checker plate, it wouldn't be any good. But I've come up with a solution. Let's have a look. So the problem being that when you stick it through the hole, it doesn't come through. However, what I have bought, some stainless T-nuts. So instead of, oh crud, please come out. Oh, that was lucky. Anyway, so as I was saying, stainless steel T-nut. So instead of the nut going on the end, we screw into it. And it also fits in the slot nicely. So all I've got to do is open up the hole to accept the T-nut and screw it in. Don't want a hammer, that was yesterday's job. Easy when you tighten it up. So hopefully the roof nut will go straight in there, which it does. And just screw it in the top. Works a treat. Roof nut in and screw it in. Two down, two to go. Three. Looks a bit windy over there, don't you fall over. And that is that. Yeah, it's quite straightforward when you find out a working solution. All we've got to do now is find some sound deadening to go on the bonnet and we'll call that job done. So I'm pleased with how it looks. The front end is coming together. Easy access to the front of the roof rack. But all I need now is my spare wheel to go on the bonnet. None of these are fit. So there we go. A 2-hour job completed in about 6 weeks. Awesome. If you're enjoying this little piece of Land Rovery internet, please by all means like, share and subscribe. You know the drill. Comments below. And I'll catch you on the next one. Definitely got to go out for a drive. Mitch, where are you, Mitch? Stop working. Have some time off and let's go and have a play. See you next time.